Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can dribble in eFootball. So it's pretty simple. Now to dribble in eFootball, you need to have the ball in your foot. So as you guys can see, there's a little thing which I can drag, which is at the bottom left corner of my screen. So in whichever direction the arrow, so my player who has the ball has an arrow. So whichever direction the arrow is pointed, that is the direction where the player is going to dribble the ball. So I'm going to start the game. So to start the game, you need to click on pass, which is at the right corner. Click on pass and your ball will be passed to another player. As you guys can see, I'm using my finger, which is at the bottom left corner, to control my player. I can pass my ball and I can start dribbling. And whichever direction the arrow is pointed, that is the direction where the ball is going to be passed. So over here, if I want to dribble, I just need to use my finger, which is at the bottom left corner. Just like this. Pass the ball like this, use my finger. Now this is how you guys can dribble slow. If you want to dribble fast, you can see the dash button. Just hold on the dash button and then use your left finger to choose whichever direction you want to dash in. If you leave dash, your player will start to run slow again like this. So you can hold dash to run and you can, leave the dash if you want to dribble slowly. That is basically how you guys can dribble in eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.